Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. We love to buy, sell, and trade, so let us know if you have anything that we can work with you. Here's a really nice machine. This is an Acra 10x20 fully automatic surface grinder. 10x20 is your chuck size. It's an electromagnetic chuck. Right here is your controller for it. We'll show you right here. We can stick our metal on. Once we turn on, come take a close look here. You can see right now our chuck value is at 0. We'll turn that on to 100% and it is stuck. So that's all set and ready to go for grinding on that. You've got all your grinding set up right here on the control. It's really easy control to use, very basic setups, pretty much pictures for everything. You can see a close-up of that on the website. We'll start everything here. We'll start our grinding wheel. That was our hydraulics, and our grinding wheel's actually turning right now. I have a microphone on me, so I'm gonna stand right here just for a second, let you hear how quiet everything's running. This is a very, very nice clean unit. This is all original paint, so you can tell usually with a grinder, they're usually gonna be pretty dirty. They have a lot of coolant and a lot of chips going everywhere, so the paint gets ripped up. But you can see inside here, come take a look, you can see inside, everything's really, really clean. Here's all your legs for the bottom of the feet for the bottom of the machine, but everything's super clean in here. Obviously, it's been used very, very little. Now, you have a few different grinding methods that you can set up on here, but you'll have your basic setup of back and forth, your incremental down feed. You'll set it how much you want it to come down, and it's going to step down each time after each path has been chosen. We'll here set it into automatic mode. Now you'll notice it also has a parallel dresser on here. This is going to go ahead and grind the wheel and allow you to have a nice clean grinding wheel. You can see right now we're in automatic mode, that it's automatically feeding. And you could, of course, increase your speed depending on the material, the coolant, the job. There's a lot of different things that you can do with these types of machines and set everything up on. But this is a great example of a really nice, clean, used machine. Comes with a warranty from Sterling Machinery. Everything's been checked out. Has a dust collection system that comes with it as well on the back. You can set that up if you have a dust collection system going. I just want to point out some of the other machines. You can see we have a lot of different brands. We sell new as well as used. Chevrolet, Kent, Okamoto, Acra. Let us know what you're looking for, how we can help. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you very much.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.